How to fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. Let's get started. Experiencing issues with Uber Eats promo codes not applying can be frustrating. Here are steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Verify promo code details. Ensure the promo code hasn't expired. Confirm you haven't used the code previously, as most are single use. Check if the promo code is valid for your location, currency, and other type. Apply promo code before ordering. Promo codes must be added before placing the order. They cannot be applied retroactively. Check order requirements. Some promos require a minimum spend. Certain codes apply only to specific items or participating restaurants. Review active promotions. In the Uber Eats app, tap the profile icon, select promotions, and view active promos to ensure the code is listed. Make sure your app is up to date. Launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Uber Eats. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated apps may encounter issues. If still issue persists, reach out to the Uber Eats support through the app or their help center for assistance. By following these steps, you can address common issues with Uber Eats promo codes and enjoy your discount seamlessly. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.